All right, we're going to be taking a look at a couple other different examples, and there's a few different things that we need to watch out for based on what we have. This next one here, you'll notice that it is in a different order than we're used to seeing. We have our number first, and we have a negative z squared. Okay, don't be too confused on that there. It just means we have a negative 1 in front of the z squared. So instead of multiplying by positive 1, we multiply by negative 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 10 times negative 1. That's going to give us negative 10. And we're going to leave it in the same order, actually. We don't have to worry about that. We can leave it in exactly the same order. Multiples of negative 10 are negative 1 times 10, negative 2 times 5, and then we have the opposites, negative 10 times 1. We want to look for which one adds up to negative 3, and that's going to be this one right here, negative 5 and positive 2. So that's the value that we're going to use to decompose our trinomial. 10 minus 5z plus 2z minus z squared. Okay, now don't be too confused. We're mixing up the order a little bit, but that's okay because we're still doing everything in the same values here. All right, so take a look at the first two. 10 and negative 5z. We can take a 5 out of there and get 2 minus z. And in the second one, we can again take just a z out. So we're going to take a z out, and this is going to be 2 minus z. Important that we have that, 2 minus z. And our second one is 5, and that's positive z, so 5 plus z. So 5 plus z, and those are our two binomials. You'll notice that they are in a different order. Okay, the letters coming at the end, which is okay. We can mix it around. What you could do, if you mixed everything around, you would get negative z plus 2 and z plus 5. You'll notice that the negative stays the same, the 2 stays the same, and the positive 5 and the positive z stay the same. It's just twisted around. This one will work as well. And these are going to be our two binomials, which will give us this trinomial right here.